Hello and what's up everybody. In this video I will show you how you can remove the background of any image without Canva. So if you know, in Canva with the just one click we can remove the background of an image, okay? But we can do it without Canva as well if you don't have Canva Pro, because to remove an image on Canva you require Canva Pro. You cannot do it in the free subscription. So what we'll do is you'll go to this website www.remove.bg. So let me write remove.bg here and press enter. So let's see what this website have to offer. So it says remove image background 100% automatically and free. Let's upload an image. We'll click on upload image. We'll go in here. We'll go to the pictures and desktop, and what we'll do is we will select an image such as I want to select this image of mine. Okay, so now remove.bg is removing the background by itself. So it has removed the background of an image. So after the background is removed, and it is removed properly in this case, I'm gonna download this thing. Okay, so image is downloaded. So let's see how it looks without a background. Is it look good or does it not look good? What is the quality? So the quality here you can see is perfect. Only the resolution are not 100%, but maybe to the 70%. If you want to download in HD variant, you want to download in high definition, you can download it once. Okay. Other than that, this low variant is cool as well. It's not that high end, but it is what you need, and you can expect from a free thing. Okay, so you can use this thing and then you can add this downloaded picture into your Canva and go on. So I don't want you to be hopeless if you don't have the pro version. You can do everything in a free thing as well. So this was the last lecture of our course. Hope you like the course. Thank you very much.